most important thing is to satisfy with your life, yourself. So work hard, train hard, and be the best version of yourself.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम मेघना और आज हम सीखेंगे हनुमानासना स्प्लिट. इट्स वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट पोज एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड हिप ओपनर. सो आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ प्रेपरेटरी आसनास लाई हूँ जिसको रेगुलर करने से हम स्प्लिट तक पहुंच सकते हैं. मीन्स वी कैन स्टार्ट अवर स्प्लिट जर्नी. सो रेडी गाइज, कम लेट्स डू टुगेदर. So let's start with our practice. First, Asana variation. So spread your legs, heels in, toes out, interlock your fingers, and as you exhale, go down and inhale. Let's do it at least 10 times. If you're comfortable, go a little more deeper. Maintain smile, spine straight. Okay, last one, try to hold. Just hold. Look straight. Okay, now we are done. Toes forward. Second pose, side lunges. Interlock your fingers. Bending your right knee, left toe up. Okay. Again, let's do it 5 each side. Go a little more deeper. Keep smiling. Few more. Okay, one last. Come up. Third one is lunges. So right foot forward. Left leg back. Shoulders back, spine straight. Interlock your fingers. Gaze front. Now, as you exhale, go down. Left heel is off the mat. Let's do it again 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Last one, we'll hold just for 5 seconds. Slowly come up. Side change. Same will do. Left side. Ready? Look front. 1, 2, 3. If you're comfortable, you can keep sliding your back toe. Okay, last one. Let's hold. Fourth one. Take your right foot forward. Shoulders roll back, spine straight, gaze front. Now as you exhale, hip back. Working on to keep your front knee straight. Let's do it 10 times. Enjoy this practice. Go a little more deeper. Okay, last one, will hold. Stay here. Even this is also fine if you can't bring your elbows down. Just stay here. Okay, let's change side. Right leg back, left foot front, gaze front. Let's start. Okay, let's hold here. Try to keep your spine straight. Now 5th. Okay. Take your right foot forward and lower your hip. First, try to hold this pose. Shoulders relaxed, spine straight, your gaze front. Only if you're comfortable here, then try to bend your back knee. Just hold it for at least 1 minute. Let's change side. Left foot forward. Lower your hip. First stay here, make yourself comfortable. Only then try to bend your back knee. Look straight. Okay, now back. So let's move to 6th one. So for that I've folded my mat and also I'm using foot mat. So first be on your knees, palms down, right heel forward. Okay. Same way, try to slide and come back. Slide forward and come back. Do as much as you can. At least 5 each side. You can also do it with socks. Okay. Now let's change the side. Ready? Okay. This is the preparation. So don't force yourself, guys, too much. So now let's do our final pose, split Hanumanasana. So first we'll do half split and then we'll try to move it into split. Ready? Come. Palm forward. Take your right foot forward. And keep trying to slide as much as you can. Don't force yourself too much. Stay here. Even you can also put some cushion underneath. See how much you can do. Even if you want, you can add a few more cushion. Try holding this pose for at least 1 minute. And then change the side. Left foot forward. Keep trying to slide and stay. If comfortable, palms to heart center. Hold this pose with a big smile. So guys, let's do our final pose, split without any props. Palm forward, take your right heel and keep sliding. As much as you can, shoulders relax. Make yourself comfortable here. Palms to heart center. Maintain a big smile on your face and try to hold this pose at least for a minute. Hope you enjoyed this pose. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep practicing and do share your experience, guys. Tag me on your post. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and comment also. So guys, see you. Bye.